Alright, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything, guys. How you doing today? Me, I'm painting parts. But I thought I'd take a break and fix something. You know, on your leaf spring mounts, you got your shock bolt on there and it busts off. So what I usually do is I cut them flat off as much as I can. And you see in the back there, that's where it used to go through. So what I do is I drill a 1/2 inch hole through it. Then Dorman makes a nice little kit. It's part number 31001. And they make a nice little shock stud. Okay. So what I do, I grab myself a 1/2 inch bit and the thing, and the shock plate, the release spring plate, for your mopar. This is for your mopar. And take it over to the drill press. Let's see here. Got the other one laying there, I think, already. Okay. I'll lay this out here for right now. Oh, I don't know what that was. Something just fell. Okay, I gotta set this up. Okay, and then what I'll do, I'll put drill a 1/2 inch hole. I wonder if I should. Let's see. Tighten. Goes this way. Okay. Well, if this is my good bit or do I have to sharpen it? I don't know. Let's find out, huh? I wonder if I should grab a block. Maybe I should grab a wood block. Set this one off to the side for now. I'll find that hole in there. I don't know if you can see it, where it used to be drilled from the factory. I'll put a new 1/2 inch hole right in there, where it used to be. I know you guys probably can't see it, but what is going on here? Maybe I should start it with a smaller bit first. I don't know. Oh, that's about right. Was it anyway? Well, there we go. Might be off a little bit, but that's okay. I don't think that's going to hurt anybody none. Sometimes you got to start it with a small drill bit first. So close I am here. Yeah, I'm off a little bit. should maybe have some oil on this, but we'll just run it without. Oh, here, let's do this. Let's sharpen our bit. I'll be right back. I'll sharpen this guy a little bit. One of these days I should show you guys how to sharpen drill bits. Some of you guys I'm sure know how to do it. Some of you probably would wish you knew how to do it. Some of you probably tried it. Well, I got a little bit of an angle on there. Not enough, maybe. Now let's see what this did. Oh yeah, like butter now. I'm off a little bit, but that's fine. I'm doing really well. Perfect. Yeah, I'm definitely off. I'm straight down from the pad. I'm down like an eighth of an inch this way. Okay, so then, well, anyway, when you get your hole drilled in there, as long as you don't have a burr, which I don't, but because it's the trick of sharpening, then you take that Dorman kit. Again, it's 31001, I believe. So now this is the shock plate for the driver's side, evidently. So then you just slide this in there, like so. Okay. I think I'm gonna go get a lock washer for this, by the way. It didn't come with one, but, well, let's see. It's on this side. I wonder if I can use this one. I'll just get a different one for that side. Nope, that's the wrong size. Okay. No big deal. Okay. So then we just do something. Let's take you guys back over to the other table here. Let's see. So yeah, so what we'll do, I'll still throw that washer on there. Pull this back a little bit. There we go. Okay, what do I need? I need a 1/2-inch washer, huh? Okay, where did I go with them? I'll grab another one for the other side right away. If I can. Okay, so then what we do, we'll throw a lock washer. I throw a lock washer on there. I mean, I would. Okay. And then there's your new shock plate with your new shock mount. So all got to know. All I'll do now is tighten this down here. Hey, tighten her down. We'll tighten her down. What 11/16 maybe? What size is that? Hey, where's that 3/4? No, that's whatever size that is. Well, where's my adapter? Oh no. What I do with that 1/2-inch adapter? Maybe it's still on the truck wrench underneath the underneath the camera here. And then tighten till it's tight, till it's tightened. When it's all tightened, and there's your shock plate. Ready for the new shock. Whoop, there it is right there. So there you go. Dorman 31001, I believe it is. Part number. Yeah. And you pull this off later. You may not have to use these bushings that come with it. Okay? You might not have to. This splits apart, by the way. So you may not have to use them, you know. So, and then, it has its own spacer here. So you may have to take out the steel bushing out of the shock if it does have one in there and just use this, and then, but real simple little fix. Let's just put this back together for now till I get her that far, and then I'll know what I need. Just a real fast little tip from Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. Subscribe to the channel for some more readily available tips. Yeah, look nice under there. Okay, please like and subscribe. Take care. Have a wonderful day. And hopefully this helps you guys out, save you some money. So don't throw these away if the shock is busted off. If you break the bolt off, the factory stud, don't worry about it. Make sure you cut it off straight, what's left of it. Grind it nice and flat. Reach to the other side. Drill a hole out like what we just did. and tighten this up really good. Make sure that's tightened. And then, yeah. So there it is. Please subscribe. Have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.